Tesla supplements holiday update with new FSD version. Tesla has surprised some owners by sneaking in a new full self-driving version with the wide release of the holiday update, which started rolling out to Hardware 4 owners on Friday night. Tesla has issued a controlled and very slow release pattern with the holiday update, which rolls out with software version 2025.44.25.5 for the past 2 weeks, as it has rolled out to Hardware 3 and older Tesla owners. The company has kept its deployment of the new software version relatively controlled. It seems Tesla was waiting for the Hardware 4 rollout, as it wanted to also deploy a new full self-driving version to those owners. As it appeared in the release notes for the holiday update last night, Tesla full self-driving v14.2.1.25 made its first appearance last night to Hardware 4 owners who are members of the Early Access Program EAP. It appears to be a slight refinement from FSD v14.2.1, which has been out for a couple of weeks. Tesla v2025.44.25.5 holiday update incoming. Also full self-driving v14.2.1.25. Many owners welcome the new FSD version, us included, because we've been less than impressed with v14.2.1. We have experienced some minor regressions with v14.2.1, especially with speed limit recognition, speed profile tinkering, and parking performance. As it stands, full self-driving is still particularly impressive. But Tesla is evidently having an issue with some of the adjustments, as it is still refining some of the performance aspects of the suite. This is expected and normal with some updates, as not all of them are an improvement in all areas. We routinely see some things backtrack every once in a while. This new FSD version is likely to take care of those things, but it also includes all of the awesome holiday update features, which include Grok with navigation commands. Beta Grok will now add and edit destinations. Tesla photo booth, take pictures inside your car using the cabin-facing camera. Dog mode, live activity, check on your four-legged friend on your phone through periodic snapshots taken of the cabin. Dashcam viewer update includes new metrics like steering wheel angle, speed, and more. Santa mode, new graphics, trees, and a lock chime light show update edition of Jingle Rush Light Show. Custom wraps and license plates. Colorizer now allows you to customize your vehicle even further with custom patterns, license plates, and tint. Navigation improvements, easier layout and setup. Supercharger site map starting at 18 pilot locations. A 3D view of the supercharger you're visiting will be available. Automatic carpool lane routing navigation will utilize carpool lanes if enabled. Phone left behind chime. Your car will now tell you if you left a phone inside. Charge limit per location. Set a charge limit for each location. SS docking simulator, new game. Additional improvements, turn off wireless charging pad. Spotify improvements, Rainbow Rave Cave, Lock Soundtron edition. Tesla also added 2 other things that were undocumented, like charging passport and information on USB drive storage to help with dashcam. Source, reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.